You guys, welcome back. So, in today's lesson, we will create a first website landing page for, a, I've just named it Brewlog Cafe, right? And let's see how easy it is and how Cloud Code can help us develop a site in like maybe just with a prompt, right? And we will then host it on Vercel. Let's just start, right? So, I'm going to start with Brewlog Cafe demo. This is my Cloud Code, right? This is your input wherever you chat with it, right? Wherever you prompt with it. So I'm just typing Brewlog Cafe demo, so it has some context, right? And then I just want to change the name here also. So now that the window is named Brewlog Cafe demo, and it will just do something. I won't worry about it. I can stop it actually. Okay, so I have the prompt already copied. You can get the prompt from multiple places. I'll guide you to that. So, but for now, prompt is here. Let's go through the prompt slowly. Build a single page landing site for. Let me make it larger for your benefit. Build a single page landing site for a product called Brewlog. Brewlog is an app for small cafes to track repeat customer orders. The page should have a hero section with the product name, 3 feature cards, a testimonial, a footer with a fake email and social links. Style, we are giving it some kind of a direction there, right? So when done, tell me the command to preview it locally. Okay. So this is a complete, like, you can follow this for your other website building. The prompt structure can be the same, right? But let's go ahead and let's see what it does. So it is saying I will build a Brewlog landing page as a single self-contained index.html. Okay. It wouldn't take more than a minute or two, but let's just be patient. In the meantime, if you're new to Cloud Code, this is I'm running Cloud Code within VS Code. So this is VS Code here on top, and then Cloud Code through the extensions I've installed it. It's very, very, very straightforward. Once you get there, then your main working window is this where you can see my cursor, right? Where we type, right? That's where you just give instructions to Cloud Code. I have a video in this channel where you can see exactly the basics of Cloud Code. But anyway, this is ready now. So this is running locally. Let's check. Okay, let me copy this into a new window. So let's go here. Let's copy. Okay, let's come back. Okay, not loading fails. Please check. So I would change it the mode to bypass permission so it doesn't ask me. Yeah, but okay. So something must be a problem before. But so this is the page it has built, right? So per the prompt, you have the hero section. You can capture the email, and so it has. So let's go back to the prompt and match it. Okay. So hero section, bureau name, value prompt, and remember every regular, not just their face, and an email sign up. Okay, free 3 feature cards, customer profiles, order history, loyalty rewards, testimonials, and footer. Right. So let's go back. So this is the hero section with you can join the waiting list. Then 3 cards here: customer profiles, order history, loyalty rewards, and then some a testimonial. Right, and then the footer. Right. So this is exactly what we had asked in the prompt. Okay, now let's see if we can, this is learning on my local, right? If you wanted to host it, you could actually host it on Vercel. So let's test that, right? Can we host the site on Vercel? Okay, I'm just making it bigger so you can see. Please use the token shared earlier. One second. I don't know how to. So note, Vercel, you can get a free account on Vercel. Vercel is mainly for your front end hosting. Also, Vercel can be used for serverless computing for some of your backend functions, right? I will actually, even though we are mainly focusing on vibe coding, I will post some lessons on architecture, right? What is front end, what is back end, what is database, what is serverless. So just, and what is API. So with prompt engineering, actually, you are able to build an app, right? So it's not that you can just walk the walk, meaning you may be able to develop something fancy, but you should be able to talk the talk also, right? So that's what I will cover in some of the lessons on just making sure you understand the architecture of how apps work, right? Anyway, let's see where we stand. Okay, so this is let's copy this. See, so this is now can be reached from anywhere on the internet, right? Because this is hosted on Vercel. So this URL should be reachable if you used it anywhere. Right? So great. And then if you have, remember the Vercel free plan would be more than enough for you guys if you're hosting some app. You can also use Cloudflare for free hosting for, for most of the startups, Cloudflare or Vercel would be totally fine, right? Now, the question is, all this, obviously it had the token. So you would actually have to create an account on Vercel or Cloudflare, create a token. Token is nothing, just like, it's an access token. So you create a temporary access token, give it to Cloud Code, and Cloud Code will deploy it for you, right? So remember, you don't have to go through all the steps of configuring and just create the account, create a token, give it to Cloud Code, it will do it for you. This is also an agentic behavior, right? So great. I think this was a good lesson, right? Okay, thanks.